It's calendar time. Let's everybody say today's date together. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. Ava Pace, come over here and let's show me where November 12th is on the calendar. Good job. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow is Wednesday and the season is fall. Good job, Ava. Let's say the days of the week together. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Okay, let's talk about our classroom rules. Everybody hold your hand up and show me 5. Hold your hand up and show me 5. This reminds us that we have 5 classroom rules that we have to follow. Rule number 1. Cameron, what's rule number 1?
Voices off.
Our voices are off. Rule number 2, Charles, our eyes are where?
Eyes are where?
Eyes are on the teacher.
Eyes are on the teacher.
Rule number 3, Carter, our ears are for listening. Rule number 4, our body is quiet. That means we're not stomping our feet or beating on our desk. And rule number 5, our hands are quiet. Everybody show me your quiet hands. Thank you, Charles. Ava, show me your quiet hands. Good job. Sam, show me your quiet hands. Good. When we follow the class rules, we earn privileges. If you follow the class rules, you might get special time with your teacher. You might get to choose a Go Noodle during a break. Or you might get to choose a toy out of the toy cabinet during free time in the afternoon. That's right. That's your favorite Go Noodle. When we do not follow the classroom rules, you will lose privileges. If you don't follow the class rules, you will not earn free time in the afternoon. That doesn't make Miss Raines very happy. Our social skill for this month is eating at the dinner table. Why would we practice eating at the dinner table this month? What happens in November?
The table.
What happens in November? What holiday is in November?
Eat at the table.
Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a holiday in November, and we have to eat at the table with our family.